Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to Traxion Pay. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is you need an account on Wise and you need to verify your account, because otherwise we can start. If you don't have any idea how to do that, I created 2 videos where I showed you how to do that. So make sure that you find those videos on my channel called How to Create an Account on Wise and How to Verify Your Account on Wise. And then after that, we go right here to send. Then we search right here for the Philippines, because not every country has the option to use the e-wallet option where you can select Traxion Pay. And then we select from here the Philippines. We fill in right here how much we want to transfer. This is fine. And then we do add recipient. Then we select right here e-wallet. And then, you need to decide if you want to send money to yourself or to someone else. So let's do right now for myself. Fill in your full name of the account holder. And then we select right here at this option, Traxion Pay. Then we fill in right here our recipient's e-wallet number. So that is our own e-wallet number. And then we do continue. I don't have an account on Traxion Pay, but if you are having an account on Traxion Pay, he will send you to the review page where you need to check all your details and where you need to do all these steps. And then after that, click on continue again, and then he will send you to the payment page. So this is how you can transfer money from Wise to Traxion Pay. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.